Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will tell you how you can get your Instagram captions and hashtags automatically generated with the help of an app, and this is a very good app. So let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store, and in the search bar type what I am typing right now, tag wag, and this app will come and you just have to install this app. I've already installed it, so I'm just going to open it right now. So as you open it, so I open from start. So I've installed it. Go to your apps. This is Tag Guy, and here you can select your picture for which you want the Instagram caption and the hashtag. Suppose I want this flower picture, so I'm going to select it and you wait. So now you will get all the automatic generated captions and hashtags which are related to this picture. So see, you get so many captions along with the hashtags, and if you want only the captions, you can get it from here and you can copy them in like one click. Suppose I click copy, so it says copied. It has been copied to your clipboard. So if you only want hashtags, you can go here and select which hashtags you want. So it's a very good app. And suppose I want for another picture like this one. So see, again so many hashtags and captions have come, and you can choose any one which you like. So it is very helpful for Instagram pictures. So if you find my video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please help me reach 1000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.